is a fantastic man. What Chena Junior said yet, you know, Adia Bakwa, Mehu free no. Lawyer, good morning.
Morning, Akokwa.
Bibi Aboko there.
Obadia da room, Bibi Aboko.
Yeah, that okropon as
Valentine weekend there.
Sure, Yakwaba. Now, person also to say.
Person also there. The last time I called her, which was 2 weeks ago, no, her job boko. The weekend in I walk a year by me, no be also me san call her. It's no so meko.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Taste a boni be also free.
Wonderful. Yeah. Wonderful. Then minim Thanksgiving service no. Unya humble prayer kakra.
Meant to me alcohol in person because na me war equally important activities we are not some family issues we are not
sure
resolve or say krum
sure
but me the many so di akire kama bibia ko boko
yeah yen zoom in quickly na minim say wa COCOBOD pen
yeah
and eno na me chance ye dia wo COCOBOD na wo di juma be
oh COCOBOD there mama church for
yeah
men chow new so producers and so
right
COCOBOD obi o bia ton cocoa cocoa farmers no o mado cocoa no yeah na wo se kokoto ya ton
sure
nti unfortunately won ton free cocoa farmers no ho but na me ye adwuma COCOBOD as HR practitioner.
Wow.
And then at a point, moving me call the marketing department will call marketing. A honor and semi I will know. Was almost never talk cocoa no. Almost a ton cocoa no. At the bias outside Ghana. And see a very big trading room. Trading room carry out of bounds. They said they be a high. Meaning say we are mobile more offices we are na rooms we are.
Nhyira fan.
Yeah.
Mo bi bisa.
Sure.
Sana trading room no so tie. Trading room say when you a staff of trading room. And I say when you the chief executive and deputy sir. We are director COCOBOD Crown Jimmy trading room. Ko ne ton kuku na ka sa obekọ no computers akese asoso. They said the ODA asoso sisi we. And they keep monitoring the prices at the international markets.
Yeah.
And just when on benya a good price, no quick near tom.
Yeah.
And just a price of now by a corner by a front now. I know no forecasting projection. Tosha no really and see. I mean, just say when we delve into the issues, I'll come to that and explain it.
Sure. The matter said the okay there. Yeah, it's a Ponzi tactics. No,
of course.
So
open as well.
Yeah, sure. But me say what to be on COCOBOD issues.
Yeah.
Wow, you've worked there. When him said the whole city. I mean, how difficult is it? Say COCOBOD beat me. A positive forecast. Say obi hu say adi me wo COCOBOD kuku hu dwede ni edi. I'll do more research into it. Me hu say the trade no si corner. They say be ya adwaman so yi ni MBT me. Adwaman so price MBT me. Na metumi ayen hyehyɛ so a me makuafo so embre, but I will cushion them na etimi ayen motivation dia mamo. How difficult is that? Because me say that's the true measure adintia COCOBOD that's all.
Yeah. Awukwa.
Yeah.
Me that's no question. Mami bef 2-3 minutes
no problem.
Na me run through COCOBOD system
sure.
Sure. Say yet say you foundation. Obu say be boa ma obi a OTA bi a betensem na.
Sure.
Ghana COCOBOD na ho no. The obi a hu a COCOBOD and that bon say COCOBOD.
Yeah.
COCOBOD na the mother company. Adwuma ni nyina akora no COCOBOD no kra na enye bi. Okoko I can say value chain no. COCOBOD na mother company kra na enye bi.
Wow.
Yeah. Me person ka me ma example a ebi anka obi a betia see. I say we call restaurant. Na ukodidi.
Yeah.
Do jiska no what did you bibia and do jiska na adwuma no kra na enye bi. So ya we. And if you are not quite fast, no,
wait to see a cobbe ya o mombe servo ni am na ebre
we kwa da manka wait akra me see the all jiska no so we no
aha o mo no mo bre ni wi a ono na akwajiska
it is ana COCOBOD na nka satie ye wo divisions and subsidiaries under COCOBOD so the COCOBOD is the mother company Ghana COCOBOD in edaso ana nase no ye wo divisions and subsidiaries divisions and subsidiaries ya chem ye wo pre-harvest and ye post harvest because a pre-harvest I just say onuma omu di cocoa no hu djuma wa abra afeni ye bedua ye bo hu aduro ye say kopim say ye betwa ana ye beti ye nyati wie pesa omum di sa djuma so wie omadjuma na post harvest for no aba be take over nti wo say quality control for beba ye be hwe say your fumigate cocoa no ye be twam ye fa cocoa dua ba kwa ya dry kwa be fa so dry no sebe ya obetete ntemu ye twa ye de wo se kan bi e fa ye de be ko cutting table e ba ko twa say cocoa bean no papa color wo mu ye dey moldy ye wey sa ne mani na so processor go through and sana almost certifier obi o yadwuma quality control bia ye obi be friend seed production division SPD ya bomu se bi o mo cast ne nam SPD for o mo na be supply cocoa bean no I can't say seed no ya kwa kodua enti o mo de ma wi a o mo na ese kra ma enyini kakra ansana ya de ama cocoa akuafo no ana obi opeso odua cocoa bia se seed for ne ya ye wo chet cocoa health and extension division o mo na ye cocoa doctor for say obi yare akọ hospital no sa na cocoa no so yare a mo ba hospital cocoa health and extension division chet for no to mo na be ba be ne nam cocoa afunum ka se de bi tetentemo I was say a line cocoa bia na o se dua bordie ewom na amani shade kakra na yakasa uko yenye pruning yenye ayi kan say yetwitwa ho se de be ya mframa be fam
ya
udi o machi a ekop shoulder o machi o se wugina cocoa afuomu a wugina anu se ya o so to ni straighter hu cocoa nu mu akusi ti se cocoa nu mu aye kusua se cocoa nu ndua ni ye se cocoa nu bebo emo ebeso doso enso doso omo ye adwuma na pae cocoa have an extension division cocoa adokota for no it is omo na e won panel man vitamins e man no vitamin A and vitamin Q ni ade nyina omo na ye se adwuma
no omo ye enough there some of the farmers complain we ho time omo de beba ne emu nhihye no
yes so whether omo ye enough or not there because me kai say the last time I mean COCOBOD somewhere in the 2020 or 2019 recruitment massive one edema omo a fa omo ye agric extension one no omo adwuma kasa no well ain't mean enough because of him o say ka cocoa farm bia nya extension officer ba ko abi obeboa no kra be boa no cocoa
ngo ne nete wo ehwe se bibia be ko ye okay
because omo na be ko abesa be boa with the pollination say hand pollination no ye peke na da kwa akotare we ho na yakopama boso se be ya anti kutumi we hand pollination ya cocoa dua ba ko ubetime nya cocoa pots be 50 crown
wow
yes so we ni ya now this fertilizer ni manema o se gugusu ni na ya anti cocoa adwuma na ankasa de asa cocoa no be bo pa be ye no cocoa have an extension for no o na solid so omo yam ye adwuma ni ya anbe and I'm saying a movie quality control company for no take over na quality control company for no certifier cocoa boto be a free cocoa foam field ebebia bo se seal bi bo ho quality control officer o ye ho adwuma a wa certify say cocoa we dey a pass nti betimi aton ama na ye ni seal bo ho eno na se bedru ni ehwe na wo na say a pass na mpass ya bo so ho achi ko ehwe seal na betimi atresia e aba
wow
and
a well organized team no
they say we adwuma system ansana omu ya cocoa marketing for take over in cocoa marketing for na be kire say yenya buyer bi wo Netherlands yenya buyer bi wo Belgium also wo tonti no ye ton we e de amano
okay
na omo aton into omo hwe good price na ya ton
Okay.
Edi ama buyer no. All the time no. Sa office no sa trading room no. Me call kakra no. Ijuma kra no. Unya time kwa nidi. You're always on the computer. Me say out of bounds. Me call the marketing department. An adjoining office to the marketing.
Yeah.
Cocoa. But the trading room, you need special expertise. Which is be economics, mathematics.
Yeah.
And you know my brain. Exactly.
Okay. Wow.
I look at just your science so do for training system. Local workshops, training and some work system. No.
The more experts.
I me cry. I didn't call marketing. I'm from Uncle Trading Wall Street. Cause also Coco Suya no. But you're saying be 2, 3, 4 years.
Wow.
Who answer? So in such a department, who are Zumi officer, you don't sack them. You don't make changes arbitrarily.
Okay.
It will affect you, and then I won't so. But eventually you get there
because I'm not monitor trade partner now who say you koha ne beboy, baha ne beboy. It will not free one for no beba fe no so be co training.
Experience counts.
So we still have the problem.
Experience counts.
Okay.
Awokwa adia adwuma awuti me kai say 31st December 2025 you ana mo sister station Asempa FM.
Yeah.
I can say me hosti omo afternoon political show no see sense. So
aye.
Me kwatena ho.
Ba we ade.
Minim kasa.
Yeah.
Metimi akasa.
Yeah.
But me bray. I was struggling.
And you're regular in our way.
Exactly.
Sure.
And if say after 31st no me have to one. And ka by now no bia me experience I can with you. And that is what is happening in COCOBOD.
Wow.
Appointment of heads of these divisions and subsidiaries I'm catching. Aban biaba hardly so bako be from outside. Aba so me head. Unless nipa no special expertise be mostly so most say they be free outside the bar. Na nipa ni free eba on secondment from the agric ministry. Also agric and cocoa related. And the imagine say obi to say current Nhyira MP.
Yeah.
Why are you more PBC? Arise do directorship.
Okay.
That's a papa if I say that time only any MP. Me can honorable Yakutu.
Okay.
Nhyira MP currently. Only the MP.
Yeah.
No, or Greek ministry. No say aban biba. No say omra me head ebi at the Cocoa Health and Extension Division on secondment manner. Even though he's coming from outside,
sure,
but he's coming with a lot of expertise. It is a field that Juma and the COCOBOD then was even under the agric ministry. I don't know if you get it.
Sure.
Until the supervisory ministry no agric.
Yeah.
Until relationship no anything. And you cannot enter and see. Because union for no most of the times we fight against it. We can't union for because I'm a senior staff secretary of COCOBOD. Until now at least with workers and you can't now. Oba a internal recruitment na to be who be a riser group be a manager level in the industry you man be 12-15 years the same job routine until also be a current manager a director no or co pension until you promote the owner say
sure
e man be take over because of institutional memory why are there no I'm not saying I'm not saying say nipa ni need the expertise good what mostly happens is say a particular division kra na ye nya obi wo ha it make across cross obi from different division under COCOBOD neba ye wo pre any wo post it is all do be free seed production e dey cocoa heifer the same adwuma no mo ye virtually it will you be what me dey neba and how do be free quality control so be we here be COCOBOD so ba be deputy chief executive agronomy and quality control you obviously have to pick someone from in fact yes also wo can I say Cocoa Research Institute CRIC it you work out there say adwuma ne bro so na e bra nya bia ukwa CRIC ubenya doctor of agronomy doctor of PhD for it's a jumani diana ope an expertise via unya big crowd baby you go to CRIC you get them waterfall
wow
yes also quite to cocoa school busu cocoa college
right
child doctors here work CRIC no omo na chira de wo ho e ma yan call for training e wo So for human resource, you have them in abundance.
But where I'm interested by, you said the experience wise and where it be a nipa be ye omo efri ho ma afoforo bi but we need to train them again. The time when ko nyina na say affect trade no meboa.
Exactly. Okay. So now this was what happened. Abanye ba ya na nyina ye ka o say obi na born nyom say kacha no ma say nusu ye de asem beba. Ana wo ka say emfa wo. And now about affecting you. And Tiamu near Tiamu after the 2024 election. Any mass dismissal, nay, proceed on leave, corner there, nay, year Kenyano. Then, yes, be a Sabia, no be like a can near Tiatium. Awakwa, and you may see Leno.
Yeah,
we saw it then. But Nipabini and Yajan. What me take you over from a predecessor. Now, a big institution like COCOBOD. Obana directors e wo ho e take over directorship ni na o transfer obi me no ka say e bi kwa the directors be 3-4 egu one room omu nya adwuma bia o ko mo kan graphic newspaper review
you mu free baby anomo no
yes newspaper review o kofo ye also kofo mo mbabe
they be a graphic
and you are paying them. That's the sad aspect. Former cocoa marketing company CMC problem in now omo managing director akomia on call pension on call retirement on do retirement age sidelining the nakotena officer or can graphic but and then is a man why you man unim akomia dem kwani ne say not over the research department of COCOBOD. It's research for na forecasting no ehu number of tons e benya the ebetimi enya ye forward sales ye hedging e omo na ye no mabetu management nefo. Unfortunately for him, he became the CMC managing director. Akomia has been in the system engineers be MPB by near fine juma one way a technical to a juma. Okay, then he rose through the rank. The deputy Fred Doku was employed under NDC, which we all know. Not Fred, Forestry Commission.
Yeah,
Juma. The expertise are not here. Anna Dr. Opuni then I could find it in the COCOBOD.
Okay.
When MPP took over in 2009, 2017, Yampamono. In fact, yes, I'm Rezi Fred Boku, I am deputy managing director of CMC.
Right.
Because of trading, the expertise and all, and he helped the government. Now, this government comes and says, "Oh, we MPP ni apamo." How is that even possible? It will change. And the Rambo style or the office, and there may be green letter. And there will be two free in office. They may for new police. I mean, how?
Wow.
And to this man, Fred Boku is not even up to 50 years. He will still be in the system and gets paid till retire at 60. For not on your way.
Yeah, you know, was said,
I say, you're Pamono. What do you mean, Pamono, which is Cabibri? And he,
and try to be a watch.
I want you to ya transfer no sort of and I go for B and I'm bet now from outside.
Wow.
Now when who say sa directors here na ya adwuma nyina ya yi omu nyina sinchen. Whatever is due them, they will take them at the end of the month. Now for the 20 directors COCOBOD so each chief executive singing everywhere. Which only have 4 pair.
Yeah.
The main chief executive and 3 deputies. Omo market to your son the directorship. And so you directors 23 ho. On pamu omo system by redundant then you are paying them with all the entitlements at the end of the month.
In addition to the new directors.
So you are forced to promote people who ordinarily wouldn't have been at the directorship position. Sure. To fill in that gap you've created.
Yeah.
It will be a deputy manager today or a director of COCOBOD. Or be a principal officer today or a deputy director.
And years of promotion in Rihanna.
COCOBOD, your promotion 3 years, 4 years.
Okay.
And Obi or no principal officer today. Or 1, 2, 3 years to get to deputy manager.
Okay.
Or another 1, 2, 3 years to get to a full manager, so 6 years or another 1, 2, 3 years to get to senior manager, or another 1, 2, 3 or 4 years to get to a deputy directorship, and then I call director. It is already dependent on what or principal officer and deputy director. Then say your man of 12 years free, that promote you.
Okay.
Like you're telling if you know 12 years ago,
yeah,
and you're bad. But the man you're bad, they say when you have people in the system, now I'm because of political expediencies. Now we use our for to China who promote obi and the draw now a double salary na utia for one work a juma bako.
Yeah.
Meaning so what them can say. Sometimes you work utia miensa because you are promoting people out of time.
Sure.
Omubre no sewing.
The budget to be affected. Surely.
And now we use our budget if you are institutional memory and the expertise. Mama example, me say akomia and Fred Buku. They are showing the system. You cannot take someone like COCOBOD. Our head quality control on the time also about call retirement and the COCOBOD to library. As well, these are verifiable facts. Verifiable facts. Or the library.
COCOBOD.
Yes.
Wow.
Or the library can carry books. One called you money, you would you absent to 10 continuous days and a vacation of post. But
this is serious. Sir,
problem no man tell man can't anyway.
Sir, politicization of institutions you say I mean COCOBOD they are working me matitibi I mean matitibi nkrofo you or more free or more offices near they do could obvious to me. One guy over there is it crimes or mama no so I mean, person match. I mean, we are making a mammy way, and I heard those things. May I say?
To get to some make an beyond one chantro.
As for Dokudi and the mate, the other ones are there can maybe other, you
can verify.
Yeah, I want it. 18 I work as a mean interjective only because one I've heard one of them, and that is why I'm so quiet. But sad year kosunino. And yen institutions be a bar. Including even transportation, yeje two boot, yeje toilet, yeje we nyina etimi ba. Meanwhile, there are people who are doing it. I him say we mu dey come you good ometimi. It's not pertaining to NDC alone. MPP AC ebia. Maybe say kwan ben ye be fa so asade we no we can stop it, especially.
You see, enye bibia na betimi I know politics.
Okay.
Nye bibia. Ya hwe bedru time bi no. Your health sector crown. Ebeye basa ko say
Nhyira FM.
Akoko hospital.
Yeah.
One betime do time be a doctor betime show him so we NDC ni me show. And I MPP ni me show. Sani pesi drana. Cocoa farmers na ono. O mu ni MPP ni any NDC o. Why you cocoa ewie? Why must your politics up there affect them? Because for the first time in the history of my cocoa sector, I buy pencil, and the cocoa price arise here to level beer. And I will show you proof.
That's about 11,000 to
12,000 to 13,000.
Yeah.
USD. A bit see that. So how come you are making a reduction here? Because Sadan Kakosrono or some cocoa farmers no energy.
But say buffem. It's almost so tesson.
And to one of the country make competence and expertise no. Because at the point now na Kakosrono. And when you must over beton.
A COCOBOD and the marketing company.
Yes.
COCOBOD. Yeah.
And you know what say them no more day. Me, I'm telling you, industry no free. But obviously, I still have eyes and ears and nose in there.
Yeah, sure.
Cocoa marketing company, trading room, ill-informed management.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Nese, Oman cannot crunch and penny for.
Sir, me person ka so man kan ko
but can
okay, so there was a wrong projection.
Okay,
that is fair.
My fan is no clear.
There was a wrong projection.
It said
yes, wrong anticipation.
Okay, price no was true. Oh, penny for mon train be sa kosoro kakra.
No.
Oh, okay.
That was the anticipation. Okay. Maybe see that it's here rise.
Right.
It's here started say airdrop. One no some cocoa na. LBC is not no so moton. And now wrong projection. So nyawotre. I didn't ever say ko. No. Ever say ko.
Yeah.
And now unko on a bar form. International markets yen buyers no almost all reps or my said the COCOBOD esoma research team almost field all the time. The buyers equally also a research team almost on my mua it is all the cocoa now or so hold the what or number of tonnage I will be for the year metric tons I'll be for the year in only one. It is all the top ones. He said this year we are expecting 1 million metric tons. Now we can't throw. So all kind of console. All kind of credit.
It is our forward a upfront payment. No near the no be say we try and how
we miss one and our businessman or no or tongue cocoa.
And he said the Nanka buying a cassen share or 2024 25 MPP corner. Almost say just a woman betona man on this cabbage tour.
Yeah.
Na kuku na dia mono. Almost on crop for hanti. Who say Sakuku no discover cry yan quantity no more penny more. Muntina mum face can my
and I catch almost team. And I want to be a surgeon on team.
Definitely.
And to one the team in the baba. Now I have COCOBOD those projections no nyama can no compare who kind of jump on now kind
of Chapman Ghana man say me kind message him I say good morning Akokwa. It is said when your car breaks down that everyone gets the privilege to teach you how to drive. Is that the case?
Well,
I say NDC for us omo car net munti. I say monso mo dia mo ye na chire ya. A car net da over 31 point something billion.
What is that discussion?
Men can say kuku hu how bebrebe because it's something that no one can run away from it. Normal previous government precedents wo. A mususu say no so no. An sheda amwa eni.
Aban be ne ba COCOBOD wa metoka. And COCOBOD yet in 2021. Yet COCOBOD 2017 ana.
Say ka we the access no do.
See,
you got 1.8 billion or more kono. Now 2016 or more kono. Now 31 point something billion, almost 32 billion.
A dear ka out of DA. Oma na chire o masemu. So tie ato force na. Say operational costs. And I want to cocoa. Sa Canada hono. Sika o se di to cocoa na. Question also mubisa o, jana so mubisa o.
Say a car COCOBOD a da wo mo so be a contractor a o makoye contract be o maye and anu kra no mo ka ju success mi ne no ma baby o makoye order akototo so eno so eno so egu port we be kro mu ntimi clear ne when they are going to clear no so nyina ye sika ene no ma baby.
The question is a cocoa for sika farmers ni sika na e wo say anka ban ne de to edutua farmers ne ka ana wan tua ana de koto ya na. If the answer is no, then that argument shouldn't even start.
No, they said that mokra mokoje besia kakra. Besia no ntua no kra nkoyie. Ena bags ese mo provide ma international way for no traders no mo akoka se mo be ma wo bia mo be ma 900 and something bags. Mo ye no 900,000. Mo ye no mo ja 300,000 we 330,000. And woman is a so far ya men they crack 98,000. Tis hard na mode ba se mu yi mo ani se de mu
a bit of education here will help. Cocoa season ye bia. This season ye wo mu.
Yeah.
2025-2026 cocoa season. Now cocoa season anka se ye wo mu within a year. You the main crop season and then the light crop season.
Yeah.
And she said, "Oh, you the main crop now. Na say abaya sisa. obviously enye February mu ne we from March April we want the light crop no ebe start say eba so be the project so be 900 metric tons na waton na aban asesa you should wait for the light crop season
now so what
and use that to sell
the omuni asem gra
me say also you see a square pegs in round holes but no nim do more ye and from maka say bias no omo reps o man mu ebi kwa wunnim wo mo almost your research and it is a wo as COCOBOD chief executive and I say an important person and the most important person in Ghana here president once you are they will take it as the Holy Bible or the Holy Quran. I don't know if you get it. It is a COCOBOD chief executive eko catch farmers and I will interview say me tell me na me COCOBOD chief executive na me interview so next season cocoa na ye be no ye be two papa skabeba
okay
farmers betie buyers betie now the president also goes to the western region no can the same thing say cocoa farmers mon come and tom yam na price e de be ma mo kwa de bi si da e bi twom e ba mo price kese pa e de be si cocoa industry no apart from cocoa farmers and license buying companies e ton ye wo individuals bia o ma nga so etimi to cocoa ni free cocoa farmers no either say bia cocoa farmer ni pay loan bi ana ne kotua ne ba school fees bi ana yo so ene akokoa mi cocoa 10 bucks ni ntije na ma miska wa be nya mie season no etubo so mo so be to bia gu ho ahode in an anticipation say cocoa price ne be kosoro say the CEO naka say the president naka
non so they train
it will no better at a lower price it will turn you to more so bit $200 of cocoa go at 2,500 cedis per bag let's say betum at the cost 4,000 calculate the difference and multiply it by 100 within a space of a month or two risk awanya chama for to cocoa loan at the cocoa no hoard and until strategically and your advisable say cocoa prices are yenya announce ye obeka wasem see betum see yontum because unya beka pet then you are encouraging hoarding
okay
and jama photo cocoa ni guho a mo twen say ye betum it's even at the light crop season time no anka this 1,000 can go for the cocoa corn what to guho e twen say October obebie cocoa no what to price in what ton cocoa amount
tisa press release ne sa no e be bye ne for price
kasa no do ayi na board was ofecho you talk too much
and also can
adjuma na the amount sit down and work and stop talking and stop the blame games example na mama me say we a businessman unton hode
Nhyira
now say
you are in business to make profit
na dollar running bit me to e de for and say dollar no cost ram me
you are in business to make profit
say na kuku no so go cost rent and cost na utiate
enti international buyers no so omo mani wa ha go for o ma hold cocoa no mo famba oh sir ene
yes we are train okay
enti so cocoa no short to international marketer demand and supply demand and supply asem ne kan yo wo economics ni demand and supply ye pa do do no na ekosoro eji afo mu say mo bebre kura system na ma hode ye be na pa na samaba
eti bra mo kan so mbe review prices no na eba abontin no mo dey press release by obusuan na dey to Facebook no say on disregard ni ade I mean some information nyina be bye
there was an earlier release
no?
Signed by the deputy chief executive.
Okay.
FNA.
Okay, this one.
That one, yes.
That's 8th April 2025.
Could you actually sign that document, no? What I say?
Yeah.
And since I will be yes, I deal with. Now we are and for the first time in the history of Ghana, Ubusa cocoa farmer be say a brebe and a beer cocoa season and also price. Obaka so October.
My mention week across following the recent announcement of producer price increase in Cote d'Ivoire, management of COCOBOD has decided to maintain Ghana's current producer price. This decision comes after careful consideration of the operational and financial implications for the cocoa industry. Management will, however, consider the review of producer price, fees and margins for stakeholders for 2025-2026 cocoa season. Next, I don't know, I said na forecast you I don't know bibi beba ana
say yes say ya woman for reason to be thinking around.
See, be a beco from a becosro, and I be
and Anna yet now, my mu
a costro.
Cocoa price bien wa a co from that.
Yeah.
Until say buy we so BC question number 1. A buy ben a buyer yat cocoa yateso.
Yeah.
No I can this ya buy. A bonus question as student be a bicha. 2 or 4 squad no abuano.
Lawyer. Clement Opoku Gyamfi, CID. Now I'm going to come on na. Lawyer, quickly. Why MC pen, DC pen, Amansia South. When you say Galamsey was a side or Amansia area. Now no near Amansia Central. The Abba receipt near their way issue. Say receipt in way issue be that.
Debbie.
Sir, now uncle for no more be around no now own baby.
Me why I was say. Me as the head of the district, because it's something I was fighting.
But some say Adiane Daho, assembly by Ubia Bitimia, I issue receipt and I just can be. Tiana Bay DC, one GB, there's only some fine idea in our back.
And Yamina may because I never do my receipt. Let's situate assembly. Chief executive. Chief executive or number or future receipt and now.
But say ba una supervising to woman nkwada akokra o it said you work on una doubts.
And you crebe.
It is saying
chief executive, you don't even sign checks. You don't have access to the can I say assembly's coffers
accounts.
Debbie. A coordinating director in the finance office. Nhyira. Me kai say me call for front no. You call public accounts committee back. The call ya metie ade about public accounts committee no. You take a move and I'm catching director and me say today will be the last time I me about public accounts committee. Me maybe you. So man you money me ya. Omo kwa na beko. And no concern chief executive nka ho a. Yem hwe wanim.
Okay.
Obebre. Enti ye charge am the ma wo mo. And since then yanko bi da because never be avoidable. You can avoid it
to be to say we know san
I avoidable. I mean now you try abo so now we call na
see IGF e be ma revenue ni ade nti o mo gigi
I say nyanu kwan IGF bebre wo ho
obetimi enya sika no baby fufro.
Yeah, because people are also of the view say ogigi you are in a way encouraging it. And I made a bit careful and say the circumstances that led to my appointments. I had to be careful.
Yeah.
You say dia and say atna say ediewu ntekuma
on transit into
Debbie. Because me predecessor me could in there. There Galamsey related issues. So why do I go there and even indulge myself in it or even decide to even entertain it? Not just a so no. Sebi man trefo sebi na me ni futu for kra. The nurse no. No yeah me garden principle.
Wow.
I'm the boy me bra.
Wow.
Yeah, so
it's quite interesting. But young call because my time ninti I'm running you through fast. And then Ken of Riata or your lawyer. Yeah, you know free Interpol list so. And it's permanent. ICE detention and it's idea we know. Ken of Riata are we seeing everybody?
So ICE detention there, yeah, as on my ye nisu to me. Then you also to me and I say a fire home. The Interpol list now, yeah, the red list no.
Yeah.
Because yeah, they make that request. And Interpol it's here.
Yeah.
But it appeared say as a after that in Yakwakoda. Yanya hwe.
Wow.
The Juma dia o se na ye no. Yanye.
You see the Ashiegu.
Well,
Omo permanently.
We can still apply.
A bit me happy.
Say your new evidence, ne fresh a year, we can still apply. There's always a way.
Oh, okay. Ghana for you say as in can we no.
Oh, yeah, I mean, you can always go back.
Oh, okay.
Say what they are no coin, no can once in baby. And you say when you once in baby now, you go and adduce fresh evidence and give them reasons why. I will say sounding the panel at Tosuna.
Okay. You with MPP. More primaries. But who's about me? Answer. Say, "Oh, Kasa, man, for say, I say, who is or my presidential speech? I say, Nkasa, you know, go to say party limited, but as a national issues concerns no or raising idea. But among for so concerns in your party about unity. Say, Nasia sorry no cry opening back wanko or also contest when you. But and the information shares a Canadian Japan. He didn't go.
Yeah.
Unity. The SCC atwa elections mu komuni ade nyina no. E kwan be na mo be fa so a ogiba omiaji say you can unite the party because as a no man share insist so.
Obviously say you to abawia.
Yeah.
Wa wo wini wani age. Ana de wodi nkuku era ho.
Nhyira FM.
Enti eya na all the time. The adwuma kese no ho ye de wodi nkunim no.
Okay.
Say one obe manage nanije no oh say I was say ya pass e bo abrausu what din kunim say enhurihuri mensre I don't know if you get it enti what din kunim awie no afi na wasa be manage o support base ko say hey munya botre na nema bi wo ho a emwa esuna ko ni aje wo so wudi uhurihuri pa amoni
ba be ye obi ahia be twitwi obi ni ade right
enti adwuma no hona now nipa 5 na contest here baku ne din kunim and 9 antimi kunim
yeah
Dr. Baumia ayade etumi adraw me nsane nyina aba akaba akwa they ka say wa ma Thanksgiving service which went ho
yeah
one you nim because on Dr. Baumia din komo
okay
excellent reason tia bia wantumi ama na ontumi ma obi kwa so ya usori yare I'm not saying say no yare but ebia na no do no say ontumi ma
right
say ontumi for sure and I'm sure Dr. Baumia as experienced as he is Dr. Baumia running mates 4 times 4 no ya 2 ya ma power mienu ya ba power amane vice president so when it comes to mediation and sane mane there I'm sure you're top notch. Wow. I'll bet me abwa. When you juma edin. Say obe friend and now obe kon ho no ni be din komo.
By insults now I say cocos no man for say it's quite idea affect unity say.
And nyama ni bi o na ya avoidable. Ne betena he ya kan.
Yeah.
Say nyama ni bi o ha na betimi atwitwa so. And nothing typical of me from experience.
Yeah.
Uhun wo be bia say ye ko presidential primaries na metrum suppose me dia kokko achi na ma betina radio so kasama no ana say me be yesi senka ye kasa no nko na me kasa ama na nkanye but bia na out of excitement and now say out of youthful exuberance esi da o cause sanya ma ekosu yi no ye 2008 ani e wo campus na ye test corner ye bio after that we say na we ade pa for so bia ma so amayo because it's yen tem keke now we who near because of internal contest who near high and watch them then you see an NDC person you talk to the person
sure
how and your papa because of internal contest there I know you because you no bell no wo to nim
bit me
onimu how near there and can say better bontin baba ka
there are course executives say currently more modern and omunyina nka omumfri ho
of course if we never
some of the party party for ya no bokasa mieti say ohwe omodern bona say enso ani omo ne kan bi ma party mu atete because omutimi diu omadim so omugina say de ozo wonyina ba bia yi legitimate call
akokwa metina sisi na meka che say Ghana man nyina efo because of the Russian abeya have I been fair to ma that would be stereotyping
exactly
wrong.
Exactly.
I mean, let's pick it case by case.
Okay.
You will be a Juma the share and say onye.
And will be at the way.
Oh yeah.
Mamen for you for the first. Info analytics, global info analytics. At the research about yourself, when you look at the youth base, no, NDC were far ahead of more. Oma capture youth, and they are still winning the youth to their side. It means that as a youth wing, from the national youth organizer to all the other wing, as a constituency level, as a more weak or what is happening?
Mean to mean can't me findings.
Okay. Okay.
And so we be
Nhyira FM.
See you radio no so am no trabontia metimi aka nyaman be.
Obema me secret no.
But nyama ni bi wo ha metimi aka. Ibi wo mentumi nka. Ti fa che me. E bia emma conversation nya wo de. Ba me de e beboa me. Because me party no army general goes to war and put his strategies out there.
Right.
Yenye ne sawo be bia. I am an army general.
I'll give you the benefit of the doubt.
Yes. Now, clear. Me info analytics. Me follow the power.
Nhyira FM.
So ordinary research findings bar. Do na do many dey percentage say. Me ana no hear me. Me ana the percentage no buy and hear me.
Sure.
Until last week, me share mabunu bi wo Lego na me ka chiro mo me ya analysis chiro mo so mo to no mo hemiti chiro mo say even our party support base so o hwe yen album musa na nkwana yes research o hwe yen album na ye the two presidential ayina anka o senka youth no and ye do so wo no isa because going by the last population and housing census Ghana mabunu na do so she said, "Oh, delegate album, mabunu no so dia."
Next we lose.
Next our party no as a future.
FM.
Yes. And there should be conscious effort say bit me de mabunu bebre ebe wura yen system.
Okay.
Because there's a penyufo no e fade out. There should be mabuna e take over. Me always say e bra na e test kon adwuma. Na me nim say e be du kra ma yes, everybody say we were party penny, we were deposed, we were near Nims Hadiano. But Pennyford is also, you know, you more. Also, tree a deal, machi, am I a rose to play? I ne. Mitsia. Say me, you must say party, ba. And he maybe so no, or some young coffee, yeah, consciously, yeah, chum do room, near a choir on Befaso.
Yeah.
A choir say. System ne da ho me MPP ni enti by virtue say me ma me MPP ni papa MPP ni ti me nua no nketo aka nyina e be MPP fo sana na system na koyo we NDC ni ti ne ma me ne papa fo NDC fo enti system no enti ye band man na dum ne asafo etina e was oh if you were the NDC fo but today esesa you know why sir Gen Z's and this agent alpha phone. So uno mu relate here on ubehu why they take certain decisions. Ade a wo fi say hia opa no no kwa de hia no. Aya ade san akokwa amamu koda keke say oyire e chabonti ukofie ko da bi etoda tisi abonten. Da betra ba bia mrante ne maba wa ne tena no. Agi omani ne tena ho. Ra club, ra paps. To COCOBOD bi nom to Guinness bi nom ne tie de omoka ese tontonte ye no musane ye dey ne fa adwene at that moment no ankofo enya omo 11 bi bo no ehona na wuzo omo kansem na wutie na uti o ma say why they are taking certain decisions it's a movie away from the traditional MPP for Ama Ababa say give me a reason to support you.
Yeah. Enti senka wo na wuti musisi as an organizer. E dey na be dey organizing youth no. Just about 2-3 things anka be.
So strategy na person to go about. Emma your opponents be pick it. I can assure you. I can assure you, say you say, or mine, your fapim, mebuno. That's a party, fapim, and in the future, the Dutch mebuna. There should be every conscious effort to integrate mebuno into the system.
Okay.
Obi take university ha. Bako school there 3 years. Test concurrent. Like until being that. They want to cross in baby meetings.
Yeah.
We have to rebrand.
Okay.
Tescon.
Right.
Make it more visible.
Okay.
Make it attractive. Say be obia onu ko the class be optometry student, medical student. It was a time we or say we call Tescon meeting. Mami for 1 hour and ko fast and famra.
Yeah.
Na onte system no ase. Yem bo hu dawru. Say yetumi start free sa base no. Na Tescon for no university for no say sanyo manase ba. O school no we kra o party num dada. What say system na say.
Sure.
And why also no students no school. Obviously so we be 80% of students in school say ya. Omu nyina enjoy the free senior high school. Na obi all who school. Oba no be catch us say be support na. Say na nko nka bone. But because no kwa wonim because ono akwana de ono nema odoni say na ma me na ehwe no right and na papa na ehwe no into we school no kwa asem nasa.
Sure.
So we should start it from the base, which is the Tescon level. Na yema yenuanum kumani wo school no. Omani nje party no.
Yeah.
So many nje party no a. I was say bre no ye kwasra wo mo. Ye visit hostel to hostel no na Ken West for ye freshers hunt. Bo say wo room nearby, wo hostel nearby, wo we nearby me ko school. Say na ye madam for ba ko a. Ono a be twen me de me call Tescon na. Anka bia man ko Tescon da.
Okay.
Because that time me be me ni kra ne na me me ko bobo akoshi jama. It took him 3 times and so the 3rd attempt I gave him say okay odenya. So say the campus I na campus Christian fellowship omo no.
Yeah.
O to down no aba. O mu adua no to nchen.
Evangelism na.
Obviously one day you give him
sure. Because that day
and the other day they akwa say yeah kakra bia na yenim something about what is happening in Tescon. Nti yes any messages my ho na aye yonkwa.
That's a nice strategy. But so over contested
certainly
because ideas no.
What's a man can yes me certainly it's not contested pa.
Wow.
Yeah.
But we create waka on the Tescon side no a lot of problems.
We ketua bi. Akase no ni ade wo ho. Asenya me adom na MPP mabunu. Enye gidi o mu se dem ni so mu gidi o mu no.
Yeah.
Ede ehye se men drive car no. E mabunu ne car no. Me na me driver.
Sure.
Na me fo mu the promised land. I can assure them of smooth driving.
I don't come. Because strategy back we create or you are not say no ma wo chim.
We ketua bi. Enya me nkwa na me ya adwuma no. E ko se ne mo bitirima na se me nkwa na ade mo bitirima me mabunu na bi.
E be kan bo.
E na di nkomo.
Sure.
No ma o ma twa adwesi bibi so bibi wo kwa na okra wunim.
Right.
And that is a solid team ye no mo ye. And the strategy will not be say en block and as a blank check the whole there be ne strategy or say you see.
Wow. Last words about the area Kenya na yemfensi.
Akokwa mesro ye nuanu mandisi for aban na o mabamu no anasa o man na dia show mo san.
Yeah.
Ghana for am fan show mo say o momra me lamentio. Say if it's 2025 January 7 bibi ebesi biya ye MPP4 na anyen ye MPP4 na anyen ye bibi papa ba dia enye MPP4 classic example gold board MPP4 ye ka say good for oil na ye de buy start here and na abo ama in gold board e ye do positive fruits dollar na ade no e stabilize o say enya ya yanka ho na ba ne se na koko de o wa be ka say ye ka bi e bogu ana say ye adwuma ya nyi ye for 1 year you keep lamenting and more. So are you going to lament for 4 years? And you call after 2028. I'll catch a farmer and say, you buy an MPP4, you buy MPP4, you buy MPP4. Now, in fact, say, Ukraja warrior qua. Your money do warrior few. Because the more open you do, no Ukuno cry, Kai Ukrano. It's your crana over the Mukoso Moyedin. Yeah, the Oma say, because after all, we are always in the system, Omubo, the MPP4, right? Yeah. Posterity will judge us right.
Thank you. Lawyer Clement Opoku, Gyamfi, CID, former DC, Amansia South, and of course, NPP, National Youth Organizer, hopeful. Lawyer Kasa, unse, unimnia woke nyina, so me feeling of Anglo Gold Ashanti, near Chene say Anglo Gold, they say, a dria primino, will be the omudin.